Good morning, students. Today let us continue with the next part of the chapter, ethers. Last time we have completed the introduction of ethers and the classification of ethers. Today let us complete the IUPAC nomenclature or IUPAC naming of the compounds ethers. Now according to the IUPAC nomenclature, ethers are named as alkoxy alkanes, in which the smaller alkyl groups are named as alkoxy groups and the larger alkyl groups are named as alkanes. Now this particular rule of naming the ethers we will understand with examples. So we start with a very simple example here, CH3OCH3, which is a symmetrical ether. Now according to the rule, we are going to name this as alkoxy alkane. Both the alkyl groups are same here, attached to oxygen. So any alkyl group you can consider along with oxygen as alkoxy group, and here methyl group is attached to oxygen. That's why it is methoxy. So if this group becomes methoxy group, so second alkyl group is containing only one carbon atom. That's why the name of the alkane will be methane. So according to the rule alkoxy alkane, we have named this ether as methoxy methane. Similar example we have here, same alkyl groups, ethyl groups attached to oxygen. So this becomes ethoxy ethane. Now here we have slightly difficult example. It is an example of a mixed ether containing different alkyl groups attached to oxygen. One group is ethyl group, second group is methyl group. According to this rule, smaller alkyl group will become alkoxy group. Which is the smaller alkyl group here? Methyl. This will become then methoxy. The second larger alkyl group will become alkane. Two carbon atoms here, that's why this will be ethane. Now here the next example. Smaller alkyl group attached to oxygen is methyl. Larger alkyl group contains 3 carbon atoms. Whenever larger alkyl group contains 3 carbon atoms or 3 or more carbon atoms, then we start numbering the carbon atoms of the larger alkyl group in such a way that the alkoxy group should get the lowest number. That's why we start numbering the carbon atoms for larger alkyl group here from this side, 1, 2 and 3. First position methoxy group. So 1 methoxy propane. Propane because the larger alkyl group contains 3 carbon atoms. Next example here, smaller alkyl group ethyl, larger alkyl group butyl. Numbering from this side because this group becomes now alkoxy group, which is ethoxy group. Second position ethoxy group. So we write down to ethoxy butane. We can't start numbering from this side because 1, 2, 3 ethoxy group will get third position, which is wrong. So according to the rule we have to give naming in this way. Now the last category of ethers, aromatic ethers. Here we have on one side smaller alkyl group methyl. So this will become methoxy group and this becomes, which is his ring, already हमने पढ़ा है, इसका नाम है benzene. So this becomes methoxy benzene. And the last example here, 2 benzene rings attached to oxygen. So any group you can take as alkoxy group. So this group, if you consider, this will become phenoxy and automatically this becomes the alkane, or here it is aromatic group, that's why it is called benzene. तो ये आज का कॉन्सेप्ट हमने पढ़ा है. I hope you have understood this concept. Some more examples you have to practice from the text and the notes which already I have sent. And any doubt from this part, always you can message through campus care.